Here is a beautiful back to school hairstyle you can do for your girl child. So this hairstyle is easy and you can braid this hairstyle with extension or just her natural hair. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup, commentaries and the rest of that. If you're yet to click on that subscribe button, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. We'll be trying it out. And if you have any other questions to ask, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be here to respond to you. So guys, if you're here to smash that subscribe button, please do where to smash the subscribe button. We're getting to the end of this video, and guys, I want to hear your thoughts. Do you like this hairstyle? Is it a yay or a nay for you? Let me hear your thoughts. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.